Hey guys, welcome back to the Kate Show. So today I think I'm gonna kick off something a little bit different for this year. I've debated doing more vlogs on my channel. I'm still kind of trying to figure out where I want to go with this whole like YouTube experience, right? Like I love making wig reviews. I love posting, you know, finance and money saving videos. I love doing grocery hauls. I love doing all of that, but I also kind of want to incorporate some more vlogging. And I think I'm going to shoot for doing like a weekly vlog. So like 52 vlogs in a year. So I don't know. What do you guys think about that? Like, if you want to see that, let me know. If you're like, girl, your life is boring, or we don't care, let me know too, because I want to know. But right now I am just about ready to go over to one of my friend's house, Kelly. She is having some of us girls over, and we did this last year actually, where we sit down and we all talk about like our goals, kind of like speak them into existence, write them down, hold each other accountable, and kind of check in throughout the year. So I'm interested to kind of look back on the goals that we did set and just kind of have a chill night. Like literally I'm going in a sweatshirt and I'm so comfortable and just like no wig, just chilling. So yeah, that's what I'm looking at for tonight. I don't have anything big planned this weekend. My boyfriend just went back home to California, so I'm probably just gonna take it pretty easy because I feel like we've been on the go for the past 2 weeks. So let's go head over to my friends and I will share my goals with you guys. Stay tuned. Okay, made it back home. I'm gonna do a little run through of what I picked up from the Dollar Tree, and then I had to make a few pickups from Walmart. And then I also ordered some stuff last week from Amazon. So if you guys are getting ready for a cruise, this is an awesome video to watch. Let's get right into it. Okay, so let's get right into it. All of this stuff is from the Dollar Tree. So the first one that really caught my eye was the shower travel kit because it includes a loofah. I had originally just picked up one loofah and then I saw this and I was like, I'll get this one instead. Found some aloe vera because I have a feeling that the sun is going to be harsh. In terms of being sick, I'm always sick, so I already have a pretty good supply of my like medicine that I travel with, but I picked up just some extra emergency, and then these Vicks Vapor cough drops. Still kind of getting over the flu. Basic hair elastics. This was a big one that I saw on a bunch of different like Pinterest posts, was to get a mesh laundry bag because you're so limited in space. You don't want to be tripping over your luggage every time you open it. So they said to kind of get this and put your dirty clothes in it. So I did pick up one of those. I only got one, so I hope Andre doesn't want to use one. Freezer bags, just in case you want to put stuff in them. Clothing pins for, yeah, clothespins, I guess that's what they're called, to hang stuff up in the room. You can never have too much hand sanitizer, especially with the norovirus and everything going on with cruise ships right now. So I picked up some of these wipes that I'll throw in my bags, and then we can keep one in the room and kind of just always have one on us. Didn't need the eye mask, but needed the earplugs. Andre snores, and so do I. So I'm gonna go with those. And then the weather's looking iffy on a couple of days, so I picked up these 2 rain ponchos. Hopefully we won't have to use them, but if we do, they were only $1. Next, I ran over to Walmart, which is right next door. I picked up some Dramamine because I'm not sure how I'm gonna do with motion sickness. I get really sick on long car rides, so picked up some of that. Picked up some heavy-duty insect repellent and these little mosquito repellent bands. I've never worn these before, but I figured we go to Haiti and Jamaica back-to-back, so I just want to make sure to be extra safe. Picked up some 50 sunscreen. I like that it came with the carabiner so I can attach it to my little backpack. And then Wrinkle Release Downy Plus. So that was all from Walmart. So from what I read is that everything, like the water cups are really small. So I got this and I'm really excited for it because it goes all the way down to like 1/4 of the size. And you can hang it on things. So we'll have to give this a try. Thanks to my grandma for getting it for me for Christmas. So I just got done filming 2 videos. I filmed a wig review and my like finance goals slash apps that I want to use for money saving in 2020. And I want to show you guys my little vlogging setup. It is not very glamorous. We do have a ring light over here. And then I have just like this like, little background set up over here. Still wrapping the Christmas tree, but you know what? I think they're cute. They might stay for a little while. They might be little winter trees. But we are, gosh, what day are we on? We are on, it's Tuesday. It was a crazy day at work. Got a lot going on for a really, really big project I have. I had to cancel my trainer this morning. Sorry, Kyle. Hopefully we'll get to see him on Thursday. And what else? I'm gonna try to get some editing done so that I can have, my goal is to have a vlog go up every single week as well as another video in addition to that. So with me being gone next week on my cruise, I tried to pre-film a video that I am gonna have like to go up live. So let's get into editing. Maybe tonight I'll take down my Christmas tree. Probably not, but one can hope, right? All right, let's get to editing. So it is Wednesday. Is it Wednesday? It's Wednesday. And right now I am working from home. Here is my setup. I have my coffee, computer, workbook, and then my partner in crime. How cute is this little one? Say hi. Say hello. He loves to be right next to me, so we keep him nice and close. Honestly, I've got a couple of things to do today for my event for work and some writing to get done too, because I do like content, marketing, that type of stuff for my company. So this is what I'm looking at. I'm makeup free. I've got a ton of moisturizer on my face, which I love to do when I work from home because then I can just like chill. Yeah, so I'm gonna go get to work. Greetings from Fort Lauderdale in my beautiful girl outfit. Yes, rocking the all gray. I just got here today. I've already completed 2 site visits for work. I'm sitting here getting some emails and everything done before our cruise tomorrow. So I'm gonna wrap this vlog up. I hope you guys enjoyed it. Stay tuned. Like I said, my goal is to do one of these every single week of the year. And next week's will be awesome because it's gonna be the entire cruise. So make sure to thumbs up and subscribe. And until next time, guys, bye.